Top 5 apps like Yooxcom reviews that actually work today. If you love designer fashion at discounted prices, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that help you discover brands, compare prices, and score exclusive deals. Most people get this wrong, thinking Yooxcom is the only option, but these 5 apps actually work. First up is Farfetch. Farfetch aggregates boutiques worldwide, offering designer clothing, shoes, and accessories. The app features flash sales and exclusive pieces. Second is Net-a-Porter. This app highlights new arrivals, curated collections, and seasonal discounts, making luxury shopping simple and enjoyable. Number 3 is The Outnet. The Outnet specializes in discounted designer items with limited time deals. Users appreciate the app's notifications for price drops. Fourth is Matches Fashion. This app provides a mix of contemporary and luxury brands, style recommendations, and fast checkout. Many users use it to find hard-to-get items. Finally, Shopbop. Shopbop combines designer brands with curated looks and daily deals. The app's filters make it easy to shop by style, size, and price. In conclusion, while Yooxcom is great, these 5 apps expand your options for discounted designer fashion, making it easy to stay stylish without overspending.